All right, welcome back to the Leadership Help Desk, where we're trying to lose some weight. I think this is our third segment on low carbs, water fasting, getting off the water fast, and falling in love with a low carb diet. Now, everyone is on a diet. Everybody. When you say, I'm going on a diet, you're already on a diet. Whatever you're eating is your diet. So we've gone through our water fast. We've broken off with a easy, slow, soft landing from our water fast 4 or 5 days. And then we decide that maybe some of the things we've been eating are gross. They're too heavy. You want something light. So this is where I came up during my calmness of my water fast. I wanted to prepare a plan, have a go-to meal that would be low carb. And here we are. Now on the board we had some of these things up, but now I'm giving you my very tasty yet strange, crazy Mauricio low carb soup recipe, which it's going to gross most people out. But you don't have to use everything, right? You don't have to use chicken feet and chicken neck. You could put chunks of regular chicken in there and it would be fine. And it's probably good. Okay, so we start off with about 4 or 5 trays of chicken feet. I know it sounds gross, but I love them now. And you have to have a little bowl or a little plate because it's all bones and stuff. But it's like gelatin. It's really nice. And we have 4 to 5, 6 trays of chicken necks. Now, the chicken necks that I've had that are like roasted or fried are inedible. But when you put it into a soup, like a 3-hour soup, the necks are real soft. They even taste more like beef. But here again, there's a ton of bones, so you're always getting rid of bones. But very tasty. I love them now. And since I'm a beef kind of guy, I thought I would throw in, since it's carb free, 2 pounds of ground steak. And that gives it even a better little broth and whatnot. So additionally, when these things are available, sometimes these things aren't available. Sometimes they have to be imported and they cost a fortune. So it just depends. But I try the ultimate, and I'm probably going to do this tomorrow, build a big batch. The ultimate soup would have a large head of broccoli chopped up. Nothing, you just chop it up. A large cauliflower, chop it up. Cabbage, medium cabbage, chop it up. It seems to disappear in the soup. A whole bunch of celery with the leaves. It's nice. Celery seed. Oh, you can't forget the celery seed. The celery seed is what makes coleslaw so nice. And that just gives it a nice, more celery flavor. And onion. Now you see with the onion, we've gone from broccoli at 7, cauliflower at 5, cabbage at 6, celery at 3 grams of carbs. Now we're at onions, which disappear at 9 grams. So actually I could have 3 times as much celery as onions. I might, it depends. And then garlic. Now that's a big number, 33 grams, but that's 3 ounces. I would imagine a clove or a head of whatever you call it of garlic is probably an ounce, so it'd be like 3 of those. Now, what used to take me forever was peeling the garlic. And I said, screw it one day. I just broke off get all the paper off as much as you can. Then break it up and then clip off the root end with your hand and just throw it in there. And then you get, I know it's crazy. That's why it's called crazy carb soup. Then you get a a clove of garlic, and you just and throw away the paper. Okra comes in at 7. Need a couple of pounds of that. Green beans, not always, sometimes, canned and fresh, 7 grams, that's low. Sweet pepper, I usually don't include that, but it's nice when you do, at 8 grams. And probably, I know that it means nothing, but 2 or 3 bunches of cilantro, which I don't know what that is. Now, potatoes. If we're low on carbs, and this is giving us, low energy, then we might include potatoes. But I always include carrots if they're available. Corn is one of my favorite things to have in there, even though it's on the high side. See, we're low energy over here, at least my experience, and now we're going to add a little bit of energy in there. Of course, the sweet potato is not going to be in there. Sweet peas, they're pretty high too. I couldn't find a number just now on that. So no, I don't. Of course, I don't want a sweet potato in my soup. Peas are too high. Rarely do I do potato, but I love the carrot for variety. Look at all the variety in here. Now, we do not want rice in our soup. No, that's high. Look at pinto beans. They're off the charts. Google tells me it's 63 grams for 100 grams of beans, of carbs. Kidney beans, real high. Man, if you're eating rice and beans, which is very popular in underdeveloped countries, that's where all the carbs are coming from, man. The flour tortilla, the beans, and the rice, and then the little piece of chicken that you get, and then the fried plantain would be high numbers too, I believe. So they're eating very high carb diets. Baked beans, I'm not sure that 22 is right, because baked beans have a lot of barbecue sauce and sugar and stuff like that. So I'd watch out. Now, I also found interesting that ranch, according to Google, has 7 grams of carbohydrates, and we'll have to check on that. But I mean, come on, you just take this could be a soup, it could be all fresh salad, add some lettuce, which would be low, add your ranch, black olives, yeah, good to go. So it could be a soup, it could be a salad. Now, there we go. Don't forget, this could be soup, roasted, steamed, boiled, fresh as a salad, and all you can eat. Meat, don't forget, ham. That would add a lot of variety. You could have a chopped ham soup. Now this makes 2 huge pans, whatever you call it, pots of soup, all the way to the top, smashing it down in there. And when that broth in the collagen, I guess is what it's called, from the feet, after you put this in the refrigerator, I'd say it lasts about 6 to 7 days in a good fridge, so you're going to end up freezing in gallon bags, some of it, but it is stiff. I mean, that broth and gel is real thick. I've even broken a spoon on it. Now, I'd also like to say, for some other people, that when I was in landscaping and I would gain weight over the winter, I wanted to get fit for the summer, and before I came to the tropics on vacation, wanted to look nice and fit, and I would do a diet. I did not know what I was doing. I would do a diet of chicken breast and all you can eat turnip greens in the can, or it could be spinach. So you get your George Foreman out or whatever, and you fry up all your chicken breast, maybe 5 at a time, put them in the fridge, and all you get for the day is a chicken breast. But you can have all you can eat canned turnip greens. Actually, now thinking about it, I could have had all you could eat green beans, broccoli, all day long. Eat as much as you want, but you only get 1 chicken breast. And when you get 1 chicken breast, you'll understand what it's like to live in a poor setting, because every little rib on that breast will be peeled because you need it so much. Another thing you can add is fresh moringa, which we have growing here. I don't know if you can, it depends on where you live. If you're in Florida or California, you probably have it. That's supposed to go in fresh and not cooked in. So there you go. Stay away from that stuff. Look at all your options. Everybody's on a diet. It just depends on which one. Now here again, once you get into this style, somebody's going to go, wow, you want fried chicken? And you're going to go, I'm not so sure I do. You want a big, juicy cheeseburger? Kinda. Yeah, but I don't have to have it. Because this is actually pretty good. Don't forget the salt, black pepper, maybe some hot sauce, oregano, some seasonings. But anyway, and eggs are an option as well. So there's your new lifestyle. As a leader, you know, you walk around and you tell all your followers you're going to lose weight and you never do. Well, this is how you can do it. And you don't have to go to the gym. You don't have to have those embarrassing years of telling people I'm on a diet and get nowhere. This is the trick. Ask your doctor. Water fast. Slow and easy getting off the water fast. Break your habits. Make this your new habit. And then you... Man. Oh, I forgot to tell you. Acid reflux will go down. Not only weight loss, you'll have some energy problems, but acid reflux, I used to eat the Tums, baking soda or whatever it is mixed with water. Acid problems are all gone. All gone. So, anyway, there you go. Crazy Mauricio's crazy carb soup. You don't have to put all of this in. Pick your favorites. All right, thank you, and I hope you enjoyed this. And I know you have people in your life that could benefit. Maybe you'll have a Mauricio crazy carb soup party. Oh boy, eating those feet for the first time. I just used it for the broth, but then I said, I'll try one. And lo and behold, they're pretty good. People here say it's the best part of the whole chicken. Anyway, subscribe, share, clickety-click the like, and you don't have to go all the way in. Just go wading around in here. You can still have your pizza. Try to move towards this. See you later.